Good morning. I spend so much time at the office that I want it to feel as comfortable as possible. It almost feels as if you're at a second home. I always drink coffee in the morning with a touch of milk. Thank you. I usually start my days around 7 and get to the office around 8:30. The dress code is definitely casual. My go-to office uniform is black pants and a great shirt. I love having tons of artwork in the office. I have my children's artwork as well as friends and famous artists. Welcome to our showroom. This is where we greet visitors, guests, and editors. Aerin Beauty includes mostly fragrance and rose beauty essentials. Everything else in this conference room is Aerin Home. I'm most excited about our most recent fragrance, Aegea Blossom, inspired by the beautiful Mediterranean. Many amazing ideas have come out of this conference room. Opening up a new store, launching a new book, and of course creating a new fragrance. What makes an office feel like a home is flowers, bowls of candy, and of course personal memories. This is one of my favorite photographs, taken in Palm Beach, my grandmother Esty and my grandfather Joe. And of course I'm wearing red shoes. I've been on about 15 covers. Last year for my birthday, my mom framed all of them. This is my favorite one. I'm sitting on my dad's vintage car from the 70s. I look incredibly cool. I don't usually look that cool. This is my office. This is where all the creativity happens. My favorite light fixture in our office is this one. It was actually inspired by a vintage piece that used to be at an old cafe in Vienna. I definitely love wallpaper. In my office, I have our Lee Joffa garden motif. It is so pretty, so feminine, and you feel like you're in this magic garden. I definitely prefer a laptop. I always sign up on emails XXA. Welcome to the Creative Workspace and Design Studio. I come to the 9th floor many, many times a day. We're forever changing and evolving product. We're about to launch our spring home and fragrance collection. This spring, we're inspired by Greece and its beautiful colors, the different tones of blue, white, accents of straw and shells. And that was the idea behind the Aegea Blossom, our newest fragrance. After a long day of work, I love to walk home to disconnect.